everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm currently in my parents' house in Mumbai and I did not bring much makeup here. So I thought why not make a video using the products I already have at home. I got inspired by Mridul Sharma. She has created a similar video. I'll link that in the description box below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. To moisturize my lips, I'm using the Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. You can even use a coconut oil or any lip balm which you have. Then to moisturize my face, I'm using the Nivea Creme. I'm cheating a little bit with a concealer since I could not find anything at home which could cover my under eyes and the spots on my face. The concealer I'm using is the M.A.C Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC42. I'm just going to use my finger and putting this concealer to the places where I need the coverage. Now to set my concealer, I'm using the Pond Sandalwood powder. For my blush, I'm using Gulal. I don't know what it's called in English, but we use it for Holi. I put very little at first because I did not know how it's gonna work. I kept on adding more Gulal till I liked how it looked. It was difficult to apply it with a finger, so I just decided to use a brush. Then I'm using the Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Nefertiti. I didn't want to use an actual lipstick. I was thinking of making a lip tint using either pomegranate or beetroot juice or at least food coloring, but since I had none of that at home, I just decided to use this lipstick. I'm applying this lipstick in my crease and blending it out since it looks like a transition shade. I also applied it in the outer V and again blended it out. I'm again using the Petroleum jelly and using it as a highlighter. It's gonna give you a glow from within kind of look, but if you want a sparkling highlighter, you can also add glitter dust in it. I'm also adding the Vaseline to my eyebrows and my brow bone. Then I'm adding some Vaseline to my lips and using it as a lip gloss. Then I made some Kajal. To make Kajal at home, I'm gonna light this diya. I used these two glasses as a stand for a plate because we are gonna keep a plate on the diya and the flame is gonna make Kajal for us. So this is how it looks like after I keep the plate on. I kept it for around 10 to 15 minutes. You can keep it for longer in case you want more quantity of Kajal. This is how it looks like on the plate. You can scrape it all off in a container if you want to store it and use it in the future. Then I mixed some ghee in it. You can also add the white homemade butter instead of the ghee. Then I applied the Kajal on my lower lash line and even my lashes as a mascara. It was really difficult to apply Kajal with a finger, but since I did not have my eyeliner brush with me, I just used my finger. So this is the finished look. I really loved how this look turned out, especially the highlighter and the eyeshadow. The Kajal is kind of smudging off, but I think you can add an almond in it. I'm sure you will find a lot of videos on that on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!